Hello. So it is self-care Saturday apparently because I have just gone buck wild on some maintenance. So pay no attention to the lighting situation. I'll try to fix it. We're in my bathroom and I do the majority of my own maintenance, whether it's my brows. I do get my hair done about every 3 months, which when you have really colored hair, that's really not a good idea, but I try to milk my color for as long as I can. So I just waxed my brows and a light bulb went off. I have waxed my face before and I will never ever do that again. But something that I've never done is wax my armpits. So, what a time to try this out, shall we? And I thought I'd document it because that's what strange people do. So, I have my wax warmer. Okay. Let's close that. That was unnecessary. And let's give this a whirl. I hope the wax is not too hot because if it is, I will have a heart attack. I will try to turn this a little bit more so you can... I'm not going to shove my armpit in your face. I'm sorry, I'm just not. Let's do... Ooh, that is hot. Oh my gosh, let's start small. Are you kidding me? Seriously? So we got stringage. I don't know if you can see that. Let's not put that back in the wax bottle. Let's try to throw that away. That is hot. And by hot, I mean incredibly warm. Look at that. Y'all see that? Pretty impressive. All right, are we ready? Let's get a little movement going. What? It did. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. We're not going to do a close-up of my underarm hair. That's smooth. Let's go at it again. Let's get a little bit thicker. So we can... Holy... God! That is hot! Oh my God! Oh, no strings that time. Oh, that's hot. Did you have your own wax warmer? If you try to turn the temperature down to cool it off, then it's just going to get hard, and then you're going to turn it back up, and it's just going to be hot. So I'm just hoping I don't burn my arm off. It passes very quickly. But it's hot. Let's see. Oh, I may not have made it to where I can pull. I didn't get it thick enough in some places. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh, we need to go up. When you wax, you go against the grain. Does your armpit hair grow down or up? I don't know. We're pulling up. That was aggressive. That did some dirty work there. You can feel it. That is disgusting, is what that is. Oh my God. Oh, I need at least one more, probably 2 passes, because I'm doing such small sections. Let's try to knock this out. Oh, God. Please don't burn, please don't burn, please don't burn. It's gonna burn. It's burning. Oh, my gosh. Oh, that is so hot. Oh, please tell me I don't get enough. Maybe I don't have to do it again. I'm trying to get the stringies. Well, no, I didn't have no stringies. I got stringies again. Oh, this is ridiculous. You see, look. See, I'm not just making it up. second. Oh, God. I hope I don't have to do this again. You know what? I'm not. This is it. This is the last pass. We're going to make this work. It does. It is working. It is working.
Alright, here we go. That was super aggressive, but it did a lot. I don't know if y'all can
See that? Can you see that? I'm not holding it closer to the camera. I'm just not. Nor am I showing you the finished product. Oh, but I did manage to miss a little piece. Okay, I got it. Oh, yeah, we got a little bit of shrapnel everywhere. I will show you a quick glance at the finished product. Ready? That's all you're getting. It does work. It does. Oh, I really need to do this. Okay, one more. This is it. This is it. This is
what I'm doing. I'm trying to do it with the wrong hand. I gotta scoop it and swap hands for application because I'm not ambidextrous. Okay, here we go. That is hot. Okay, let's try to get the stringies off. So 1 out of 82 times, I ended up with
no stringies. I bet professionals don't have to deal with this. Coming off of people's armpits and nether regions for those waxings. And no, if you're going to ask, don't. Because no, never have, never will. I'm just saying. This is my armpit and it hurts. So that, not happening. Look, one more look. Okay, that's it. That's all you're getting. Whew, whew, whew. Well, I feel all maintenance like. I should have brought my light in here, but I didn't. My brows are nicely freshed. Let me see. See my brows. Oh, good. Gonna give you another quick glance. No, one more. That's it. That's it. It works. It works. Oh. Okay. So, if you want to do at-home waxing, I can tell you, I got my wax warmer on Amazon. I think I paid 30 bucks for it and like 5 different bags of beads. I've had it for a while now. But you can do this stuff at home. What's it gonna hurt? I mean, it's gonna hurt. I'm just saying. But wouldn't you rather hurt at home, where the only people that hear you act like a lunatic is the people that you live with, versus complete strangers in a salon or wherever you're at? Yeah. Give it a whirl.